Hi everyone, I want to show you how I created this 3D cartoon environment using AI. I started by asking ChatGPT to generate an image of a cartoon-style 3D environment. The first result looked great, but it was way too complex to turn into a full 3D scene all at once. So instead, I asked it to generate separate images of the individual props from that environment. And after a few tries, I finally got all the objects I needed. To turn those images into 3D models, I used Hyper 3D. You simply upload the image, separate the objects, generate the textures, and it gives you a file with the 3D model and the texture images. This process can take a few minutes. Then I imported the 3D file into Maya, separated the meshes, applied new materials, and used the main texture provided. From there, it's just a matter of repeating the process with different objects and assembling everything together. And that's it. That's how you can quickly build a full 3D environment using AI. Thanks for watching.